Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Google Colab is a free cloud service provided by Google that allows you to write and execute Python code directly in your browser. It's a great tool for beginners to practice coding without having to set up a local development environment. Here is a simple tutorial on how to use Python with Google Colab for beginners. Step 1. Open Google Colab. Go to https://colab.research.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Create a new notebook. Click on New Notebook to create a new Python notebook. You can give it a name by clicking on Untitled at the top of the page. Step 3. Write and run Python code. You can write Python code in the code cells of the notebook. To run the code, you can either press the play button on the left side of the cell or use the keyboard shortcut Shift+Enter. Here is an example code snippet to get you started. Step 4. Save and share your work. You can save your notebook to your Google Drive by clicking on File, Save a copy in Drive. You can also share your notebook with others by clicking on the Share button at the top right corner of the page. Step 5. Additional features. Google Colab comes with many useful features such as code auto-completion, inline plots, and support for various Python libraries. You can install additional libraries using pip install library_name directly in a code cell. That's it. You now have the basic knowledge to start using Python with Google Colab. Feel free to explore more advanced features and functionalities as you continue to practice coding.